Hello, everybody. We're here with Moby and Sam and what's the other? Billy. What's your name again?
Tacky?
And whatever he said. And today we're gonna be playing Flappy Bird with a bunch of background stuff.
Wait, how can you forget my name if you based it off of if you based yours off of mine?
I don't know what start. Okay. We're gonna play this. So major rage quitting. Oh my God! Wait, hold on. Let me open this.
What are you talking about?
Here, let me move that up. Wow! Wow! What, Reese? The lag is unbelievable!
You're unbelievable.
No, you're unbelievable. Oh my lord! Here, let me. Can I? Yeah, there we go. Wait.
Bitch?
Oh, what was her name again?
Which one? Can you specify?
Oh. Whoa! Oh my god, this is amazing.
I can't hear you. Nick?
Nick.
Who's Nick?
Grindle. Wow! Okay, hold on, give me a second. Yeah, Nick Grindle.
I don't have a boyfriend. I'm single. My husband.
I'm not your husband.
I'm not talking about you.
Are you talking about Reese?
Yeah, you don't have a husband.
I have a fiance. Oh my god, I got 5.
Hi, Mom.
What?
Nikki.
Don't worry about it. Billy knows. Yeah, maybe. Yes.
Fire.
It's not Nikki because we never made that final. Queer. Russian. Wow! Oh my lord, I'm gonna throw my computer. Ooh. We're getting good. Woo! We got 12, Reese. We got 12. We got a bronze medal, if that's not gold. Okay, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Major Rage Quitting with Flappy Bird, Flashy Bird. I'm gonna call it Flashy Bird. Hope you guys enjoyed the background noise. I will leave everybody that was in the calls, YouTube, in the description. They're also on my featured channels. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.